Hey girls, it's ARMANIB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a highly requested tutorial. Literally all of my subscribers have been on my back about posting this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I style my wash and go with my ginger hair. But today, before I begin styling my wash and go, I'm going to be showing you how I lighten my hair to a vibrant ginger. A dead ass, that's a bald spot, okay? Like, that is a bald spot, and it simply comes from me putting my hair in a ponytail and doing like this.
You're fucked up. You look horrible. You look like a fucking clown.
I was putting my hair in ponytails so tight over and over and over again. Even after processing my hair, I would put it in a tight ponytail, and that's what happens to me. A bald spot.
I'm doing so.
A bald spot. Like, life really just don't be playing with me. It'd be like, you want to do dumb stuff, play stupid games, and you win stupid prizes. Literally. Okay, you know the vibes. Let's jump right in. The dye I'm using today is Clairol Professional Textures and Tones. This is a permanent hair color in the shade Flaming Desire. So the first thing I'm gonna do is my roots. I'm gonna do my roots first and start in the middle. Like, I'm gonna do the middle of my hair first because that always seems to lift. Like, the middle of my hair is always dark. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna start like with this one section, but when I do the subsections, I'm gonna split it in half and start with the middle part. So yeah, these boxes of dye do come with gloves inside, but those gloves freaking suck. So I have my own gloves, put my own gloves on because those gloves are not it. Now, this is my first time dyeing my hair with this actual dye. So if you remember, I did do clip-ins using this hair dye, and the clip-ins came out like the same color as my hair, even though I've only used L'Oreal High Colors. I feel like L'Oreal High Colors is a great way to lift your hair, but your hair is not going to be super bright. Like, your hair is still going to be on the darker side, and I want my hair to lift. Like, the purpose of me dyeing my hair was so that it could be ginger. Like, I don't want it to be brownish, I want it ginger. I want it to be like, oh, she's ginger. So this is step one. I'm gonna pour this into this. Like, if you're not a visual learner, even though it's pretty freaking obvious, I'm just gonna pour this into this. It's really that simple, I promise. A dummy could do it. I'm not calling you dumb, but I'm just saying, like, a dummy could do it. Okay? I'm actually gonna shake this up first. I don't know what that's gonna do, but I'm trying to wake the ginger up. Cause I'm not gonna keep dyeing my hair. That's what I'm not gonna do. My hair is still healthy after dyeing it twice, so I'm trying to keep that. Put all of that in. Then we're gonna take this, we're gonna close that back. Now I'm gonna pop the top of this off. That's gonna let a little bit of air inside of the bottle so that when I shake it up, it can actually mix well. I'm just gonna hold it with my finger and shake it up. To make sure I get every nook and cranny of my roots and I don't have to do this over, I'm gonna look in the mirror with a mirror just to see my reflection as I'm doing it, because I really want to get every spot. And I'm going to do subsections. Remember, like I said in the first video, it's always great to do subsections. Don't just go in dyeing your hair every which way, because you're definitely going to miss a spot. So I'm going to go into this first section like I always do. I always start in the back. And I'm going to do really tiny sections and use a rat tail comb or just a thin comb. I have a rat tail comb, I don't know where it's at, so I'm just gonna use this. But I'm gonna do very small subsections and comb that dye into my roots. Is that healthy? I don't know. Is that what a cosmetologist would do? I don't know. This is a DIY home hair dyeing video, so. I don't know the science behind this. I just want my hair ginger, you feel me? And I just want my curls to still be popping, you feel me? And if you look closely here, it's like my hair is dark, then it's light, then it's dark. I don't really like that. I don't like that. That's not cute. No. It's very important to wear a shirt that you don't care about. I say this every time. A really small subsection. This is the dye. It's like a bright orange. That thing. Okay. I'm just gonna comb that in. Twist that down. And I'm gonna do another subsection.
If you made it this far in the video, comment down below orange soda. I do want to mention I always wait more than 3 weeks before I re-dye my hair or I apply any of these products to my hair. I do understand that it may seem like I'm always dyeing my hair, but I am not. You cannot constantly be putting this stuff on your hair. Even if it's not bleach, this stuff can still alter your curl pattern. The color that I had before this, I used the L'Oreal High Colors Sizzling Copper, and it had more of a reddish tint. I did like it. It was vibrant how I wanted it to be, but I'm not really a fan of the reds. I wanted my hair to be more on the orange side.
Shout out to the niggas watching.
For this time around with dyeing my hair, I only used 2 boxes of this Clairol Textures and Tones dye versus using 4 boxes of the L'Oreal High Colors. If you paid close attention, I'm actually not saturating my hair in this dye. I'm focusing more on my roots and dragging the product down. I already feel like my hair is dyed and lifted to the shade that I want it to be. I only want to change the color.
not saying be long. Shout out to the niggas watching. Got the juice. Oh, oh. Walk by myself, all fucking long. Niggas say they own, cause they got a long. Niggas say they own, cause they got a long. Bees all on my neck, bees all on my home. Did it by myself, did it by my own. Niggas say they own, cause they got a long. Cause they got a long. Did it by myself.
So after making sure my roots are fully covered in this dye, then I'm going to go back into each of the 4 sections and just work that product down each of my strands.
He thinks he's not saying be long.
I did have a little bit of leftover dye, so I definitely did make use of that, and I just rubbed that in my hands and worked that into the sections as well.
Got the juice.
And as you can see, I'm just working that product into my edges, the front of my hair. I also did the same thing on my nape. After applying the remainder of this dye, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a plastic cap to my hair and let this dye sit for 30 minutes.
Shout out my nigga.
So this is my hair freshly washed straight out of the shower. I did use a neutralizing shampoo to wash that dye out, and I also went in with the Cream of Nature Intensive Conditioning Treatment. This shade is exactly what I was going for, so I'm gonna stick with this dye. I wanted it to be more on the burnt orange side, kind of like a deepened fire, and that's exactly what I got. Now I'm going to begin styling, so I'm going to put my hair back into 4 sections, and the first product I'm going to be using today is Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner. I'm laughing because the bottle is so jacked up. Like, this bottle has been through hell and back. My hair is already tangled, but I just like to go in with my detangling brush to make sure my hair is nice and smooth. I'm going to go in with a good amount of this hair milk. I do not use dime size amounts. That never works for me. I want my hair nice and moisturized, so I'm going to be generous with it. If you've been subscribed to my channel, then you will know that this is not my first wash and go tutorial, and I always like to use the LCO method. So for the L and the LCO method, my liquid is always water, and then I follow up with a cream, and the cream for this wash and go is going to be the intensive hydration hair milk. Next up is the O and the LCO method, and I'm using OK 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil. Last but not least, I'm going in with the Eco Styler olive oil styling gel, and this is just going to make sure my hair is nice and defined. To better define my hair, I'm going to split the section into two and just clip it back, and then I'm going to proceed using the shingling method.
Shout out to the niggas watching.
So I'm pretty sure you guys get the gist of it all. I'm just going to repeat that on the other sections of my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and let my hair dry 100%, and then I will stretch it. So here are the finished results. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see how I stretch my hair, I already have a video uploaded on my channel. If you want to watch it, the link will be in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them down below in the comment section.